Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and I post new videos every Monday. Today's tutorial, I will show you my step-by-step how I created this very pinky and summery look. Very easy to do. If you're interested, keep watching. Start applying foundation on the back of your hand, and from there apply all over your face with upward motion. Use the concealer to apply under your eye and on your eyelids and blend it with a brush. I like to use a concealer that is the same shade as my foundation to help me neutralize any discolorations or imperfections on my skin. Now I like to use a 2 to 3 shades lighter concealer to highlight my face, and use a darker concealer 2 to 3 shades darker to contour my face. So we are creating shadows to give more dimension to the face. To blend the lighter concealer, I'm using the same concealer brush. For blending my contour, I'm going back with my buffing brush, the one that I use for my foundation. That way I create a softer, more natural contour. For my blush, I'm using the Makeup Forever Flash Palette, the color red and pink, mix them together as a cream blush. I'm buffing that product with a brush. I'm using now a cream highlighter. It's important to apply all your cream products first, and after that setting your creams to get a long-lasting makeup application. Now I'm applying a translucent powder under my eye just to set the concealer and prevent it from creasing, and applying a little bit on my eyelid as well. Now I'm adding some powder blush, and for my brows I'm using a spoolie to brush the hair up and a brow pencil to define my brows and make them look fuller. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'm using the spoolie again just to brush the hair and blend the product so it looks more natural. As my eyeshadow base, I'm using the same cream product that I applied on my cheeks, and this time I'm applying it all over my mobile lid. I'm using the same color on my lower lash. And to blend everything, I'm using a blending brush to soften the edges so it looks nice and blended. At this point, I'm adding some highlighter under my brow bone, also in the inner corner to brighten the eye, and adding some on the highest points of my cheekbones. For this look, I'm using a fuller false lash because the eye look is so simple. By adding some really nice lashes, it will just complete the look and make it look more elegant and more sophisticated. Don't forget to add mascara on your lower lash and also the top lash, and using a lash applicator you can press them together so they stay all day long. At this point, I'm using a nude eyeliner just to brighten the eye. And just finishing touches, making sure everything is nice and blended so it looks more cohesive. This next step is optional. I just added some highlighter on my inner corner just to brighten and open up the eye. For my lips, I like to start with a lip liner first, and after adding the lip color. To finish this look, just add some setting spray and you are all good to go. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you want to recreate this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram using the hashtag #MakeupByDesignToronto. See you in the next one. Bye.